Okay, sir, this is our example number 1 on Arduino light sensing bulb using photoresistor. Kurt Alfonso Villaparte will show the demo.
So, what this Arduino does is if it detects that the room is dark or the surrounding is dark, it will automatically turn on. But if it detects the room is light, for example, if I do this, the light will turn off automatically.
Hey everyone, this is exercise number 1, photoresistor stop light, and this is Clarence Cable. We will do the demonstration.
When the light is turned on, the LED is going to turn on. And there's a delay. 1, 2, 3, then the yellow one, and then the red one. And when it's dark, the LED will not turn on. That's it. Thank you.
So good day, sir. So this is our example 2 of our Arduino project. So I will demonstrate you our project. If the sound sensor hears a sound or sensing a sound, for this is the example. Low. So as you can see, the light bulbs turns on. Hello world. Hi.
Everyone, this is exercise number 2, and this is the sound sensing bulb. And Chosan will explain it.
So I will explain the sound sensing bulb. So in here, the Arduino project that we made, it tells that this bulb will be light up. That depends on the frequency of the voice. And Mr. Ado will be demonstrating how it works and the frequency of this.